Sawasdee Krap, my name is Chef Davide, and I'm cooking some spaghetti fusion with Thai sauce here at the shore at Katathani in Phuket, in a beautiful Katathani beach. Okay, these are our ingredients for today. So we have Andaman tiger prawn, and they already been deveined and cleaned, no shell, no head. Here we have spaghetti from Italy. These are Gragnano spaghetti. You can see very high quality, the best pasta you can buy. Sugar, kati, like coconut milk, fish sauce. This is green curry paste. It's a mixture of pounded herbs, Thai herbs, and typical from here. And here we have local baby eggplants, different size. Here like Kaffir lime and a little bit of chili, sweet chili. Okay, let's start from the pasta water. The pasta water must be seasoned. So I'm using a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, not too much, just a little bit, like a few spoons, and salt. So the salt, it should be 10 grams per liter. So if you think it's a little bit too salty, you can use 8 grams, but 8 to 10 grams a liter. So the pasta water should be tasty, almost like a soup. Okay, so I will taste the pasta water to taste how it is. It's good. It's like not too salty, but it's not bland. Boiling. The pasta water must be boiled when we cook pasta. Spaghetti in it. Olive oil, extra virgin. Little bit of salt and pepper on the prawns. When we cook the prawns, our prawns will be the basic for the sauce. So if we brown it well, the browning process will take out the flavors. So the sauce will be more tasty. So when we cook the pasta, we put the pasta in the water, we wait a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then we move it very slowly, being careful to don't break it. The spaghetti, they are long and they're supposed to be long, so we don't want to break it. So you can see the prawns, and they're already getting a nice red color, beautiful color. And you can, we can here smell the flavor. It will be the base of the sauce. So our prawns are not cooked yet, but they are nicely seared and red. So in the same pan, I will add a little bit more oil, not too much, a little bit. And I will add our green curry paste, 1 spoon, roughly 1 tablespoon. And I'm cooking it. Careful to don't burn it. So I'm frying it. You can see there are still pieces of herbs inside. I'm frying it. So all the aroma would coming out from the paste. can smell the aroma coming out. Then we add our coconut milk. Not too much at the beginning. Emulsify with the coconut. You can see that this is an homemade curry, because you see the color is not very, is more like brownish golden than green. Usually the ones with color inside, they have a very vivid color. The homemade ones, they have, you can tell that they are homemade because the color is not so vivid. Put a little bit more coconut, not too much. And I'm going down with the fire because I don't want to break the sauce. At this point I had a little bit of, don't put too much fish sauce, otherwise it will have a very strong fish sauce flavor. We don't want that. I'm cooking it gently. At this point, little bit of sugar, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Mixing it up, stir gently. In the prawns. The herbs and the eggplant first. The eggplant, we don't want to overcook that, so it should be little bit, still little bit al dente, little bit crispy. So here we are. The sauce with the prawns is ready. You see the curry, the green curry, not too much coconut. It still have a lot of strong flavor from the curry. The eggplant, they cook, but they are not too soft. The pasta, it will take another 10-15 seconds. So we will finish the dish. We will saute the pasta in a sauce, in a prawn sauce. See, the spaghetti are very long, very nice. No problem if a little bit of water from the pasta goes in, because we will saute, we will reduce the whole lot. So we saute the pasta, the sauce. We will have the Kaffir lime and chili inside. You can use a little bit of cooking stock, the cooking, to make it a little bit, more juice from it. Perfect. Okay. This is the pasta, the spaghetti, and now we will plate it.